How to turn off live photos on iPhone. Are you tired of live photos constantly capturing movement and sound every time you take a picture with your iPhone? Well, you're in luck. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to turn off live photos on your iPhone, giving you more control over your photos and saving precious storage space. So, let's get started. But before we dive into the steps, let's quickly understand what live photos are. Live photos is a feature on iPhones that captures a few seconds of video and audio before and after you take a photo. It brings your still images to life, but sometimes you may want to disable it. There are several compelling reasons why someone might choose to disable live photos on their iPhone. Here are some of the key benefits of turning off live photos. Save storage space. Live photos take up more storage space than regular photos because they capture a few seconds of video and audio. By disabling live photos, you can free up valuable storage on your iPhone, allowing you to take and store more photos and videos. Preserve battery life. Live photos require additional processing power and battery usage to capture and store the extra video and audio content. Disabling live photos can help conserve your iPhone's battery life, especially if you take a lot of photos throughout the day. Eliminate unwanted motion and sound. Live photos capture movement and sound, which can be distracting or unwanted in certain situations. By turning off live photos, you can ensure that your photos capture still moments without any unintentional movement or background noise. Improve photo quality. In some cases, live photos may result in slightly lower image quality compared to regular photos. By disabling live photos, you can ensure that your photos maintain the highest level of clarity and sharpness. How do you know if a picture was saved with a live photo? If you open the Photos app and you select a picture, if it is with the live photo, you will see the Notice Live on the top left. But how can you disable live photos? Open the Camera app. Once you have the Camera app open, look for the Live Photos icon at the top center of the screen. It looks like a set of concentric circles. Tap on it to disable live photos. You do not need to do anything else. It is that easy. If you wish to activate live photo again, just tap again the button and you have it enabled again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to turn off live photos on your iPhone. Now you have more control over your photos, and you can save valuable storage space. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful iPhone tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.